In this video, you are going to learn how to create a realistic 3D product mockup in Canva. In order to create a mockup, all you need to do is to click on App. You are going to see this section. Click on Mockups. As you can see, we have a lot of mockup that you can simply use for your product design. For instance, now if I want to do something related to tech, and now we have different categories. We have technology, we have print, packaging, apparel, home and living. Now let's stay under this section, under the technology section. Then I'll click on desktop. Feel free to choose anyone based on the type of mockup you wanted to do. So I'm going to look for the one that is free to use here. As you can see, we have both free and paid options here. These ones now, they are free to use. So I'll click on this one. Then I'll click on select. I'm going to click on this particular picture that I wanted to mock up. After I'm done clicking on it, I'll click on next. As you can see, the mockup has been applied. So this is how you can use Canva to create any form of mockup. So you only need to select the one that fits what you are trying to do. So after that, you can click on adjust image if it is not fitting properly. This one is looking good. So after that, you can click on save mockup. Click on download. Then you'll be able to download it onto your computer system. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.